Hey, what's up, guys? Okay, I've been working the last couple days, and so I've just been haven't had time to carve. But I ordered this WEN Rotary tool kit off. I think I ordered this off Amazon. I think it was like $40. It's made in China. You can buy it on eBay for, if you're American, I think it's like $26 and like $12 shipping. So for $40 compared to I don't know what Dremel's prices are, but it's a lot more. But I just wanted to show you the quality of this and how it works. I got another one where I do my chainsaw carving. Okay, I use it to sharpen my chainsaws. Exact same model. I use it to sharpen my chainsaw and do detail carving on my big chainsaw pieces. But okay, so let's just. I haven't even opened up the box yet. I got Amazon Prime, so you don't pay for the shipping. So all my tools, I'm eventually going to put all the links to everything in my About page for all the different tools that I have and that I use and stuff like that too, right? So let's get rid of this big brown box. Okay, so there you go. Rotary toolkit. I forget what I paid, $45 or something, whatever I just said earlier. There's, like I said, there's going to be a link in my About thing for all my tools that I use, okay? Comes in this little case. I always throw cases away because if I got to go somewhere with my tools, I throw them in like a tool bag kind of thing. So here's your flex shaft. Straight out of the box, brand new. Exact same one as I got in my other one where I chainsaw carve. Instructions. Who needs instructions? Not me. Here is the tool itself. The WEN Rotary flex shaft. On off. Okay, got variable speed on it. Me, I'm always full throttle, right max, just get her done, right? Get some of these little burr things, whatever, little sanding discs. So, hold on, let me pull this out into the bag. Okay, this box, this can go bye-bye too. Bye-bye. Okay, so let's pour it out into this little container here and we'll see what we got. Little discs, grinding discs. I got tons of this stuff, man. Like, I bought so many Dremels and these kind of tools. Tons of these little disc things, cutting discs. I keep them around, but little sanding pads. This is, I think this is for a smaller bit, smaller than 1/8. But yeah, these little sanders are alright, but I got hundreds of them. These things, nah, they fall apart fast. Okay, so this will just go in the extra parts. Like, this is just, I got like 5 of these fulls. I just want to show you guys. Meh. These are pretty decent burrs on here. Look at all the shit I got full. I got like 5 of these things full of just little different types of burrs. This is a 1/4 inch, you know what I mean? Full of them. This sucker's good. I had one of these when I was carving, rip right across my thumb. Just open my whole thumb right up. That's even from one of these. I got knuckled by it. Think of that. I kept carving. So this and these can go aside. Don't buy the carving kit for this stuff. Like I said, all this stuff is basically just goddamn dust collectors to me. You might need this thing here. This piece. Put it away. Okay. So let's hook up the flex shaft to this. You got to take all this stuff apart, right? Yeah, this needs to come off too. don't know if that, where's the flex shaft here? You got that square pin in there? I don't know if it'll fit in there or not. Okay, so that's on there inside there. See, it's stuck. I just put that down there. And I just turn this sucker on. Okay, good. Flex shaft installed. Okay, I got a foot pedal on the table here. This is the kind of foot pedal that I use, you guys. This is just a cheap one. I got a good Fordham one, and this is just a cheap plastic one. I think they're like 20 bucks online or something. I'm not too sure. But you can, 40 bucks. You can order them on eBay or Amazon or whatever. Okay, so let's plug this into the foot pedal. Show you how that works. Get rid of all this crap. So this foot pedal's already plugged into the wall, okay? Then you have this extra piece here. This is your rotary tool. This is what it plugs into the foot pedal. Okay, it's plugged in. So we're just going to use the foot pedal with our hand, right? Try and get rid of all these wires here. Okay, foot pedal, ignite. Oh, okay, might have to turn the power on. This thing's on full blast. Remember, that's how I do my carving. You guys shouldn't do things full blast because you won't break things as much as I do, that's for sure. Okay, foot pedal, ignite. I'm going to have to... Okay, that's why we need this piece. See, the only thing with this, something like this, you can't use the wrench like the Dremel. You got to put this stupid little shaft in this piece here and get it in the hole. Turn that off. Okay, well, we got a piece in there. I think that's a 1/8, whatever those things are called, chucks. Let's put this bit on. Same as it's on my Dremel. Will that fit in there? Yeah, okay. So we'll put this back on there. With their pin still in the hole, right? Because it locks it up. Like your Dremel, you have a button to push. Your Dremel flex shaft. You have to tighten it up forever. Okay, so we'll put our ah shit. Sorry guys. That's the way my life goes. Okay, get rid of that. There's the burr with the chuck on it. Put it back in. Take the burr out. I don't really need to be showing you guys this stuff is. Wow, these pins are just a goddamn pain in the butt. Okay, put our burr in. Our burr's in. Grab a little wrench that kind of comes with this kit, right? Tighten her up. She tight. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to carve this piece of cedar driftwood a little bit, not much, just a couple lines, to show you the same, what this is compared to a Dremel, okay? I got my Dremel 4300 hooked up to exact same type of burr. Okay, so let's, how am I going to do this? Because I got to do it all with hands. So I'm left-handed, so let's put the pedal over here. Okay, that's... I should have read the instructions! Guys, I gotta stop this video, set it up, but you can see how I did it. Hold on, I'll start again. Okay guys, sorry about that. I got it all hooked up properly now. Just my human air. So it's all hooked up, spinning. I can see that's with the foot pedal. I can run it slow if I want, speed it up, full blast. Sometimes when you buy these Dremel or whatever, make it, this is when, you have to run it for a bit to get all the kinks out of, like the lube, everything to spin good, because sometimes it won't run max speed when you first get it. You know, this tool needs to be worn in a little bit too. So just run it for a good okay, so let's do a couple line carvings just to show you guys, right? Wow, that's a real nice old piece of cedar. That's almost like, that's freaking dark, man. Love it. Okay, so you saw how this one works. Now let's do the Dremel. Okay, this is a Dremel 4300 flex shaft hooked up to a fettle. Same bit in there, okay? Exact same carving bit. So let's try this. There you go. Dremel. WEN Rotory tool. You see, it works pretty damn good for half the price or a quarter of the price of a good Dremel 4300. Okay, so it has almost just as much power as the 4300 too. I've had mine for about a good year. I don't use it all the time where I carve. The only problem that I have had with this machine, the only problem I had is because I run my machines always full blast. Sometimes these burrs when I'm carving will, this won't be tight enough here, and sometimes these burrs will slide out. I'm carving and it will go flying off, like slowly it will work its way out from there. So I put it back in, I put the pin in, I tighten it up as hard as it can go, right? Like crank it up. And still, sometimes this piece will slowly slide out. But I think that's human error too. I think that just proves that I'm way too friggin' hard on tools. So there'll be a link on my about page about me on for this WEN Rotory tool. I don't get paid by anybody, guys. You know, I'm just doing it to help everybody out. If you don't have that much money and you want to start carving, 100% go-to tool right here, the WEN Rotory flex shaft tool. It's good, perfect for really beginning carvers. Okay, so take it easy. Oh yeah, okay, so my next video here, I don't know if you're going to see it. This is like a whole crap. Let me pull my phone out of the thing here. This is a whole moon. It's out of cedar. Man, it's like what is that? 3 inches thick, 3 and 4 inches thick. But you can see it's the shape of a moon. So I'm going to carve a wood spirit face in here. In the top, I already got it cut out with my bandsaw. That's going to be an eagle head. So these ones take a lot of work, but man, they sure turn out beauty. That will be my next video, friends. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye-bye.